Welcome to qnawire.
To find the margin of error, we'll use the formula z, the critical z, times the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. So this would be 1.96. The calculated standard deviation from the sample is 1.2247. The mean is 7. And so there's 5 in the sample. And so the margin of error I'll give to 4 places. We use 1.96 for the critical z at 95%. And so this would be 1.0735. And so our 95% confidence interval, which is the sample mean plus or minus the margin of error. And so that would be 7 plus or minus 1.0735. And so 7 minus 1.0735 is 5.9265, and the upper boundary would be 8.0735.